Near the close of the 20th century, a former military contractor developed an unprecedented level of automotive technology. They housed this technology in a rather nondescript SUV, a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and released it to an unsuspecting public in limited numbers. Brand was scrapped after only 1 year, deemed as being too powerful a force for mere mortals to possess. A few still remain in circulation.
You know the 5.9 ain't no joke. She got 8,000-pound feet of torque. She makes 1,200 horses on the dyno. With a quad track, there ain't nowhere else she can't go. She's all mine, my 5.9. I love to drive her all the time. Oh yeah. If the road's slick, she just gets done like it's a trick. She does 0 to 60, nothing flat. When the cops get behind me, step on the gas. She don't mind my 5.9. I love to drive her all the time. Oh yeah.
One day, in a real big lapse of judgment, I let my wife take out the backhoe to get some work done. Not a minute sooner than I came into work, I got a call on the phone. She said, "Honey, I done about backed the backhoe off the cliff. You better come bail me out."
Oh, when you get your backhoe stuck, try to pull it out with a forward truck. You're just spinning your wheels. I think you're out of luck. In comes the 5.9, pull them all in a line. Sit there and use the forward strength, just the facts, ain't no hay. She's all mine, my 5.9. I love to drive her all the time. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no rig like that 5.9.